Hi student, welcome to my online class. Today we discuss class 10 chemistry chapter 2 acid, base and salt. This is the fourth part of these chapters. So last class also we discussed some indicator. So now we discuss about salts and what are the different types of salt. Okay. So we know last class also we have discussed how salt are formed. The salt are formed by the neutralization reaction between acids and base. Okay, now we are again to discuss one example of salt, how are formed. Okay, these are one acid HCl and NaOH are one base. Here H plus ions are formed and Cl minus ion are formed, Na plus ion and OH minus are formed. Here H plus ions are combined with OH minus ion and to form water, H2O, that is water. And here Na plus ions and Cl minus ion are combined and to form water, NaCl. And this NaCl are water. It is one example of salt. Okay, and it is called water, sodium chloride. Okay, the chemical name is sodium chloride. These sodium chlorides are also known as water, common salt or table salt. Okay, this one used in our dining tables. Okay, as a food we add in our cooking foods, the NaCls. So the salt are formed by the neutralization reaction between acids and base. Okay, the salt are formed by the neutralization reaction between acids and base. Okay, this is the definition of salt. Okay, when an acids are react with base to form water, salt and water. Okay, the salt are formed by the neutralization reaction between acids and base. So next we discuss different types of salt. First one are the normal salt or neutral salt. Normal salt. Okay, the normal salt are formed by the reaction between strong acids and strong base. Okay, the normal salt are formed by the reaction between what are strong acids plus strong base. Okay, the reaction between strong acids and strong base to form what are normal salt. Normal salt plus water. Okay. And the pH of normal salt are equal to 7. Okay, the pH is equal to 7. So we are discussing one example. Strong acids, HCl is the strong acids. Strong base, NaOH is the strong base. And the reaction between HCl and NaOH to form water, NaCl plus H2O. The NaCl is a water normal salt. The sodium chloride are example of normal salts. Okay, the normal salt are formed by the reaction between strong acids and strong base. So next the second type of salt are acidic salt. The second type of salt, acidic salt. Acidic salt are formed by the reaction between strong acids and weak base. Okay, strong acid are react with weak base, then water form acidic salt plus water. Okay, and the pH of acidic salt are less than 7. pH is equal to less than 7. Okay, 7 से कम होता है इसका pH. Okay, we have discussed one example of strong acids are HCl and weak base. Weak base example are ammonium hydroxide, NH4OH. Ammonium hydroxide is a weak base. Okay, this one strong acid and weak base. Here H plus ion are produced, Cl minus ion are produced, ammonium ions and OH minus. Here H plus and OH minus are combined and two from water, H2O water and ammonium and chloride, NH4Cl plus H2O. This is water, ammonium chloride. Ammonium chloride. Ammonium chloride is a acidic salt. Okay, acidic salt. So this is one example of acidic salt. So next one are the discussed related to basic salt. The third types of salt. The third types of salt are basic salt. Okay, the basic salt are formed by the reaction between strong base and weak acids. Okay, the reaction between what are strong base plus weak acid. Okay, here water form basic salt plus water. Now we are taking one example of a strong base. That is, strong base are NaOH, sodium hydroxide. And we are taking one example of a weak acids are acetic acid, CH3COOH. This one example of weak acids. Here Na plus ion and OH minus ion are formed. Here CH3OH minus ion are H plus ion. Here OH minus and here H plus ion are combined and two form water, H2O plus. Here Na plus and Cl are form water, CH3COO and a sodium acetate salt are formed. Okay, this is one example of a basic salt. Okay, basic salt, sodium acetate. Okay, the basic salt are formed by the reaction between strong base and salt of weak acids. This is the third types of salt. Next we will discuss the fourth type of salt, that is the double salt. What are fourth type of salt? That is double salt. Okay, we have discussed some example of double salt, and this double salt are in between the salt are dot are present. What are dot? Then dot are present, then this is known as it is double salt. Okay, the example of double salt are, that is the CaSO4.5H2O, CuSO4.5H2O. Okay, copper sulfate pentahydrated. What are copper sulfate pentahydrates, and it is also known as what are blue vitriol. Okay, it is one example of what are double salt. Another one example are the MgSO4.7H2O. Okay, magnesium sulfate heptahydrated. This name are the green vitriol. Okay, Another one more is CaSO4 dot half H2O. Okay, copper sulfate hemihydrated. This what are plaster of Paris. Okay, another one example are CaSO4 dot 2H2O. Calcium sulfate dihydrate. This is what are gypsum. So this is example of what are double salt, and the double salt are present what are dotted, they are joined together by dotted. Here a fixed number of water molecules are present. Okay, here 5 water molecules, here 7 water molecules, here half water molecule, and here 2 water molecules are present. Next, we are discussing another types of salt, that is mixed salt. The 5 number of type of salt, that is what are mixed salt. Okay, mixed salt. Here mixed salt, what are we are discussing an example of mixed salt, that is here 2 cations or 2 anions are present in a salt, then it is called what are mixed salt. Okay, for example NaKSO4, sodium potassium sulfate. What are sodium potassium sulfate? Okay, here 2 cation, Na plus is a cation, K plus is also a cation. 2 cation are present, so it is an example of mixed salt. Another one example, CaOCl2. CaOCl2, what are the name of this salt? It is bleaching powder. What are bleaching powder? Okay, bleaching powder. Here 2 cation are present, that is what are CaOCl2 minus and CCl2 minus. This is one negative ion and this is one negative. Here 2 cations are present, so this is also a mixed salt. Okay, mixed salt are the salt here 2 positive ions are present, other 2 negative ion present, and it is called mixed salt. Okay, so these are the different types of salt we are discussed now. Okay, so next part we have discussed some example of salt, how their preparation, properties, and uses of some salt. Okay, so thank you for watching.